Yeah, but look at this dung beetle. Have you ever seen that shit in person? He's fucking straight up rolling that away.
Rolling some shit up.
Oh, wow. Looks like a little crab.
I've never seen that. I didn't know we had those here. I thought they were in Africa, you know, or something like that.
Where's the
This
tiny
fool's
one.
pissed. Oh yeah, look at him. He's got it going too.
So they're going.
And where are they taking
What's
it?
their trail?
Oh, yeah. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
Why don't you just build on this shit?